Well, here's a walk around of our skid steer that we haven't seen before. We just bought it this spring, or early this summer, whatever it was. Anyways, thought I'd give you a closer look of it. Now it's tracked, as you can see. It's a ASV RC60, and it. As much as we loved the John Deere 4020, this thing is just a lot more useful around our little hobby farm. Yeah, just a lot more things we can use it for. A lot more places we can go where we couldn't go with the big tractor. But has a Perkins diesel in it. I have no idea what model or what size it is, but it's a 4-cylinder, I know that much. And it's a Perkins. That looks like it could use a little cleaning. There's some numbers down there. I don't know if those mean anything. It says N844L, and then below that it says 216, and then M52 or 55 somewhere in there. But it runs good. It is a little cold-blooded. It doesn't like to start very well when it gets a little cold. But once it's warmed up, it starts up fine. That's a, it's got a very mini turbo, very small turbo, and does have a block heater, which is, it's gonna need it this winter because we'd have to be preheating it quite a bit to get it to start. So it's a good thing it's got a block heater on it. Yeah, cute little thing. We just have a bucket attachment. Eventually we'll get something else where my dad's going to build some hay forks for it. We've got the tines and we just got to build it. It just has the joysticks. It doesn't have any foot pedals except for the throttle right there. It has a foot throttle. So anyways, that one runs the bucket. No, let's see. I don't remember what. Let's see. I don't remember. Anyways, one of them runs the bucket and the loader, and then the other is forward and reverse. I think this one's forward and reverse, and this is the bucket. There's a little control panel. It doesn't have as many buttons as I'd like it to. I wish you could see more buttons. But yeah, there she be. It even has a level gauge. That's funny. Let's see. It just has a continuous hydraulic flow, and then it has lights and a self-level, and a light, and something right there that I don't think we have the option for. Then we got our owner's manual. I think. We're willing to bet the owner's manual is missing. Oh. Yeah. That doesn't look big enough. Those books don't look big enough to be owner's manual. So yeah, there's the chart, left arm control and drive control, and your foot throttle. So yeah, not much to it. Also has auxiliary hydraulic controls for that. Don't know Probably won't use those in the near future unless we buy something to put those on, like a auger drill. Well, there she be. It's very easy on fuel. It does not use much fuel, so that's good. I think it definitely could use a bath. Jack's in good shape too. Well, guess that's about it. If you like this video, please comment, rate, and subscribe. You know the drill.